So I'm going to show you how to make amazing pictures literally in a matter of seconds to a minute sitting behind your keyboard. You don't need a huge production team. You don't need to spend hundreds to thousands on a photographer anymore. You don't need to worry about spending hours to days to weeks and the lighting and the picture and the coloring. You don't need to do any of that anymore. My name's Kyle, by the way, and I help local businesses grow their revenue with keeping expenses low, utilizing AI, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So here's the thing. Within this video, by the end of this video, in a matter of like 5 minutes, I just want you, it's going to be a quick clip to understand how to utilize this and make an amazing image here. I'm not going to spend 10 to 20 minutes going over all the little in-depth details of what you can and can't do, because by the end of it, it's going to be information overload and you're not going to take anything away. After this video, jump into Gemini, jump into trying Nano Banana for this, and then see what you can create from it. And that's exactly what this is. So I'm in Gemini, which is essentially Google's ChatGPT, and I'm using their image model, which is Nano Banana. So I just click in tools down here, create images, nice little banana emoji to let you know. So what I've done here, I've just created an ad for a local chiropractor. He's actually out of Freehold, New Jersey. And you can see I just uploaded a few pictures here. Handsome fella, huh? Now, one thing to note is if you're going to try and recreate an individual or a product, ensure you upload several different images, several different angles, because again, the AI is going to try and recreate it. I've done it prior with maybe just one or two, maybe just more narrow focus. It doesn't work as well. I did one picture of me earlier and it just wasn't me, right? There's something that's off. The next is prompting. You can just do it in conversation format, kind of spitball, and just go through ideas here with it. You don't need to have an elaborate structure of a prompt at all. I know sometimes people will tell you that you might need that. And for specifics, sometimes you do in certain situations, but here you don't need a whole lot. I just literally said, take this guy who's a chiropractor, doctor of chiropractic, place him inside a clinic holding a sign that says, "Hi, Freehold, I want to get back to you." And here it is. That's it. Literally that simple. And then you can modify it, right? I didn't necessarily like the scrubs. I didn't like the white medical jacket here, a little too formal, especially for a chiropractor. Plus, it's not really his style. And so I just prompted that, right? Hey, remove the scrubs, remove the white jacket, put him in a polo, and then make the image a square dimension. Now, you can see here, it didn't make the image a square dimension. I can do that on the back end because it unfortunately doesn't always listen to you. But again, nice navy blue polo, same picture, spelling, everything's correct here. And that it was literally that easy. I took this image, I put up on an ad. I mean, think about how long it would take you to shoot something or create something like this on your own as a local business owner. I mean, it's a matter of days, maybe even weeks, to be honest with you. And then I know working with other owners, I'm going to get this picture back. The lighting's not going to be great. The angle's not going to be great. Heck, something on the sign might even been misspelled, right? There's just a whole lot that goes into a picture like this. And photographers, they know that. P.S. If you are a photographer, it's why you should get into understanding this, because if you already have the knowledge to understand this in detail, you can make far better, but better images. But with that being said, another thing I wanted to test here is you can put, because this is an individual, and again, you're going to add, you want to put up several different images to get the best angle, but you can also throw in, like if I wanted him to hold a product, I can tell him, hey, hold it in this hand of a product. Maybe I want to put a product up on a shelf, different angles. I can do that as well. And the one thing I wanted to kind of just show from here was I just wanted to throw in a dog. And if we notice the patterns here, the patterns of the dog where, black on the nose, it kind of scoops low and over the back. And so I asked it to add it into this image, and it did. It did the same exact thing, same exact pattern. So you can get very specific here. It doesn't just recreate any German Shepherd, any dog, right? It recreated the exact image that I provided. Now, you will have to reprompt it at times, because one thing you might have noticed is there's something off about this image. And the thing that's off is going to be looking at the dog. It looks like a full-grown adult dog, but it's definitely a little bit smaller, maybe the size of a puppy. So I'll probably try and reprompt it and play with it a little. But I mean, it's literally going to take you a matter of minutes to create just an amazing photo. And then on top of it, one thing that's beautiful, of course, for social media, you need to create a lot of them quickly. And it is exhausting at times. For your website, maybe you want something specific and you can't go out and shoot it, or if you go out and shoot it, you're not quite sure. And then more so for ads all about testing, right? So you want to try and test different iterations as quickly as possible, man, you can do this in minutes versus days going out and batching and shooting, just how much of a headache it could be. But with that being said, I hope this helps. Again, my name is Kyle. I help businesses grow their revenue while keeping expenses low, utilizing AI. And a lot of times what I do is build out these marketing and sales systems with AI implemented. But if you guys have any comments, any questions, let me know, drop them below, reach out to me if you need help. Just happy to provide you guys value. But take this right now, run with it, jump into Gemini, again, Nano Banana, and give it a go. And you know what, better yet, if you can, drop below or tag me in a post of what you created, whether it's something on social media, whatever it may be. Thanks.